Here's the marina. We're going to go down and see if we can catch a boat to go see the caves. So we're down here at the marina and we are getting ready to book a boat tour to go see the dolphins in the caves. And we're just walking along here, enjoying some of the colorful buildings and some of the shops. Hi, we've just booked our tour for the Benagil Caves and Coastline, and we're going to be on a catamaran with only about 18 people, so we are very excited.
So here's the boat we're going to be on. It's a brand new catamaran and it's just been added to their fleet.
We are just starting to leave the marina right now, and we are all on the top of the catamaran, all 18 of us, and here we go. Check it out. I'm going to lose my hat. I'm going to take it off right now.
So we're going to present you a little of our coast between Albufeira and Benagil. Okay, we're going to visit some of the caves and some of the beaches. In the morning, to visit the coast was a little difficult because it was some big waves near the coast, but it was good outside, but near the coast was the waves a little big, and it was impossible to see the Benagil Cave, but Nuno's gonna try his best to approach the maximum that he can in safety. We're gonna turn direction America, but a little bit before we arrive to America, we're gonna visit the Benagil Cave, and after that we're gonna return back. This is a brand new boat, okay? It's with us around 9 months, okay? So he came from Italy. It was 3 weeks to bring him here.
The skipper and John gave us a lot of information about the Algarve coastline, and John kept us laughing and amused the entire time. John is the skipper for the dolphin tours, which occur in the spring and summer. There's a small chance of spotting some dolphins at this time of year, but we only managed to spot 2 sharks. There are all types of limestone formations out here, and all these like little caves that we can see, and lots of beaches, beautiful, beautiful beaches.
And they actually run these tours all year round. Right now it's January 15th, I think.
So welcome to Albufeira in the winter.
the village of Benagil. Okay? So we are in the area of Carvoeiro. A little more forward we have the Alfazina lighthouse, and this is the Benagil. See, the most important thing here on the cave, we need to go more forward. I don't know if we can do that. If we can see the head of Donald Trump.
So now we're on our way back, and now we get to go down inside, and we are going to have a variety of aperitifs or wines, and also some pastries to accompany it. So here we go.
So we're heading back now from our trip to the Benagil Caves and the coastline, and we've got sunset behind us.
We've really had a lot of fun and had some great conversations with other passengers on board. It's just been fabulous. Definitely worth doing. Thank you for watching our video. We booked our boat tour through Algarve Experience in Albufeira. You'll find a link in the description. Our original tour was priced at €30 per person on a boat that carried 90 passengers. But we upgraded to the 18-person catamaran for an extra €20 per person, and the benefits were well worth it. First, most of us fit on the upper open deck, and we had an afternoon snack included. Best of all, the trip was 3 hours in length, 30 minutes longer than the larger catamaran, so that we could experience the sunset while on the way back to the marina. So what do you think about visiting the Benagil Caves? Let us know in the comments if you would upgrade to the smaller catamaran. Comments really help our channel to grow. And if you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe so you'll be notified when our next video comes out. Thanks so much for watching.